Simple lang naman to eh. Isa lang pinag-uusapan natin dito. Magkano talaga ang Senate building? Dapat ba talaga natin gastusin ang 23 billion or more? We started this investigation, this review, na wala tayong sinasabing may anomalya, wala tayong sinasabing may irregularity. Simple lang, 23 billion kasama yung sa lupa, masyadong mahal. What did Senator Binay do? She started going around, nagmamamarites, nagkakalat ng kung ano-anong chismis, at kasama sa official chismis na kinakalat is that mali yung numbers namin. She can correct it anytime. And let me address this to her now. Senator Nancy, linawin na lang natin itong lahat. Mahinahon, sa tama, napaka-busy ng ating bansa, napakaraming problema. Magkano ba talaga ang Senate building? Of course, kasama lupa. Kasi